Welcome to Creole and Cajun Living with Bomb Cherry. And today I will be showing you how to easily clean your glass bakeware. Okay, so I'm going to be using some baking soda, dish detergent, any type that you have. I have some sponges and also an eraser, and I have some old aluminum foil that I'm going to be repurposing for this job. So let's take a look at my glassware. I baked barbecue chicken in this, and I want to wash this and get this clean. Now, sometimes it's easy to clean glassware and sometimes it takes a little elbow grease. But I'm going to show you how to get this off here with ease. So here I'm going to mix in my baking soda with my dish detergent. And I'm going to make this into a paste. And you can use your fingers if you like. Here I'm going to just spread this all over the pan, paying close attention to the areas that need the most work. Here I'm going to take my used aluminum foil and just start scraping away. It works wonders. You're absolutely going to be shocked at how easy this is. Let's do a little test. Wow, can you see that? I'm not sure if you can see that, but it came right off. Not sure if you can see that. Looks like I have a little bit right here. Oh, no. It just came off with my fingers, so. And that's pretty much it. I didn't even need the hot water that I prepared. That looks wonderful. And that is it. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up. And most definitely, Don't forget to subscribe.